everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Ruby Patchouli, and on this channel we talk about curls and self-development. I'm going to be bringing it back to the basics, guys. With this curly hair routine, I will be using a cream and a gel. Yep, it's very different. Incorporating the gel, I'm giving this a go because today's curly hair routine has to last me the entire week. I don't have time this week to be doing my hair, so I need to incorporate gel so I can get that cast. The gel cast is what's going to make my curls last the entire week, so we got to incorporate it in this routine. All right, so the products I'm going to use: Dippity Doo Girls with Curls. I'm going to be using the curl defining cream, and I'm pairing it up with the Frizz Light Hold Jelly by the same brand. So we are gonna do this routine. It's quick and easy, bringing it back to the basics. Cream, gel, and hopefully this routine will last me the entire week because that's what I need. So let's get to it. First, let's start on wet hair. Clean wet hair always. Now that we are freshly washed and our hair is wet with our leave-in conditioner, now we're gonna start applying our cream. I'm gonna apply this in sections. I'm gonna do 3 sections. From my tempo, I'm gonna section here. This is the section I have. I'm gonna take just a little bit. I'm gonna take this much, you see that? Now I'm going to apply the gel, very little, this much. Can't even see, it's small. And with our brush, we're just gonna brush through. Now we're gonna take our next section from up here. Go in with the cream, this much. Grab a little bit more for the sides. And now I'm gonna take some gel. Now this is our last piece. This is gonna be, actually I'm gonna section this again, half of this. I'm gonna section half of this. So the reason I am taking very little product is because my hair is fine, thin, and low porosity. So I don't want to oversaturate because then I'm not gonna have any volume, and that's not what we're going for. Hope you can see. Let me wet the ends. Now we're gonna put our gel. I am going to break my fingers through so I can break up the clumps, because I don't like it to be this clumpy, because then once it's dry I'm gonna have to declump, and I don't want to declump. We don't want to do that. So let me grab my fingers. This is also going to create more airflow between the curls as well. Be gentle when you do this. The reason why I raked my fingers through my hair. I did it very gently, first of all, because you can create frizz here. One thing you can do is make sure that your fingers are wet so that you don't create frizz. And I did that because I like my hair to have a lot of movement, and I like there to be a lot of I like my hair to have a lot of airflow for when I'm diffusing. When it comes to clumps, if you have less clumps, that means you'll have more airflow going in between your curls. So the outcome of your hair routine will be a more like free flowing type of curl. And I do want a bit more definition as well, which is why I didn't go crazy raking through with my fingers. If you feel like you want to add more gel, you can definitely do that. I'm going to add a little bit more gel, and I'm going to apply this in a scrunching way like this, okay? All right, that should be fine. Now let's diffuse. For diffusing, I'm going to use the hover technique like always. And the curls are dry. The hair is dry. We're scrunching out the cast. So what do I notice here? I could have used more product, but I was a little scared because I'm not used to using gel and I haven't been using two products, so I didn't want to oversaturate the hair. But I do have a cast, so that is very nice. We're gonna blast some cold air without the diffuser attachment to the hair, just to lift whatever roots that are on the scalp off the scalp. So let's do this on no heat. So here I am, curls are dry. We scrunched out the cast with just our fingers. I have definition. I still have my volume. I definitely have the cast, which is a good thing. Hopefully this will make my hair style last. But yeah, these are it. These are the results. And hopefully this will last me a week or at least 5 days. I'm not gonna be doing my hair until next Monday, so we have 6 days. So I at least want to be able to enjoy my curls for 4 days. Let me at least enjoy it for 4 days, and then the last 2 days I'll just put it up in some sort of something. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was just another curly hair routine. If you stayed to the last of the video, then thank you very much. So once again, my name is Ruby Patchouli. Thank you guys so much for watching the entire video. I will see you next week. Whew! It's hot. I just finished diffusing and I am on fire. LA is currently experiencing an excessive heat wave. Ooh! Okay, focus Ruby, focus Ruby. Finish the video, okay? Finish the video.